So now, my friends, today we are going to be thinking about, that's right, how to start this writing piece. But I don't know how to start it. So I thought, I bet you our author has something to teach me again. So I was reading through and I saw this really cool section, with the three-toed sloth. And I thought, I wonder if this could help me think of a way to start my section about woodpeckers. Say. That's how we say it in Anishinaabemowin, right? So, woodpeckers. All right, let me think. So, I came up with, let's see, it says here that the three-toed sloths are large herbivores that hang around in the canopy. And I know the canopy is the trees, right? Right, the tippy tops of the trees. And I thought, how can I use this? And this is what I came up with. Let's see. Topic, woodpeckers. What do woodpeckers do? Woodpeckers hang around. Where do they hang around? Where's their habitat? They hang around in the, like it's a forest, right? Woodpeckers hang around in the forest. Oh, fantastic. Do you see how I use the topic, the subtopic, but more specifically the details? Yeah. Woodpeckers hang around in the forest. All right, so off we go. I'm going to write that down. You ready? Okay. Woodpeckers hang around in the forest. All right. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Let's see what her next sentence is and see if she can keep helping us. Off we go. They eat mainly leaves, which do not give them much energy. Okay. So what I'd say, woodpeckers, food, which is one of our subtopics, eat, grubs. Woodpeckers hang around in the forest. Oh, okay. How about, I got it. How about this? Okay. They eat grubs. They eat insects. What do you think? So, all right. So good. All right. Well, now that I'm started, I think I can do this now. All right. What else can I come up with? Let's see. Okay. Many woodpeckers live in. Oh, I can use my new information now. Many woodpeckers live in Michigan. Yeah. Does that help? Okay. Awesome. All right. Many woodpeckers live in. Next one. Isn't that great? Look how easy it is to use a mentor text, an informational book, or a nonfiction text that you love in order to help you take your topic, the ideas about your subtopic, and your details to make sentences for your own expert text. Oh my goodness, I'm getting so excited, my friends. Fantastic.